40-inch bust down, we know that bitch flat. I'm ready.
On me, baby, can you make a wish for me?
Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be installing this glueless wig that came pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. This is how it looks, pre-bleached, but I did add makeup to it. The hairline is pre-plucked. This is how it looks in the inside. The first thing I'm gonna do is put this elastic band on. As y'all can see, it's a lot of hair. Look at this fullness. And it's already giving scalp. This one is my favorite glueless wig, y'all. And I could literally leave the house. That's how fast it is. I will leave the house like this one day. Look at that.
Like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can. Like Daddy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the bodies is bad. It girls, and we can playing tag. Rad, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the vibe, billing out. So cold, we just chillin' out. Baby yelling, yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can. Like Gabby, Stacy, Yuki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse? What they gon' say now? I'm watching these bitches, I'm not gonna stay now. Like I'm ready to bend. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, bro, let me go find me a pen. Wearing lead, now I'ma put it to bed. She a Barbie bitch with her Barbie click. I keep dragging her so she bald a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of it. And I throw it back so he losing it. And I hit the box with no shoes in it. Yeah, I know the trick, so I got him ripped. You ain't over it, me and Barbie, bitch. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can. Like Daddy, Stacy, Yuki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Rad, but he spank me when I get back. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave.
She a baddie, she show her panties. She shake it like jelly. 100 bands of Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in the deli. With my bitch got a daddy. He like him already. He want the walk, but I just want the fatty. And I'm back in his partner, I'm petty. Give me that beat while he eating my honey. You know niggas love bitches with money. I get a lot. Taking a spot. If you ain't cooking, then get off the pot. My name Ice, but I always stay hot. Passenger princess, he passed me his knob. Baddest little bitch from my block. Me and Baddest be getting no wrong. So they always be singing my song. Stepping outside, I'ma put that shit on. 300 and then I perform. You know I'ma get to the bag. Or the hating bitches to the bag. Too much to lose, so I cannot react. Damn bitches be going outside. She a baddie, she show her panties. She shake it like jelly. 100 bands of Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in the deli. With my bitch got a daddy. He like him
said I can't trust in you. I can't. You like psycho. You definitely technical. You bet you like my quote. You guess it, I might go. You guess it, I might cut. I'm fucking on hard luck. I'm not your favorite rapper luck. I heard it gets wet, gets wet, gets wet, gets wet, gets wet, gets wet. Smoking on my
Why my bad bitch I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be
high
down
volume,
bad, but
high
now a
volume,
bitch
high
okay.
volume.
I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Down south bad bitch, discreet shit so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the Soul Snatcher. Okay. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas, and fuck these hoes too. You can't fuck with me, fuck what a bitch told you. Sexy black motherfucker, yeah. Name on the wood, I'm watching Jimmy Butler. Since I came home, I've been killing every summer. Real boss bitch, and I started as a runner. Titties and pretty, and I'm looking like a snack. 40-inch bust down, you know that bitch black. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Do not disturb, bitch, I'm with my nigga. Okay, iced out name plate and it's from my nigga. Bitch say she pregnant, it ain't from my